In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to reverse clips within Adobe Premiere 2021. So here's an example right here of how this could be effective. Notice I'll play this clip through and it's sort of orbiting to the left there, this drone shot that we filmed on a family vacation in Lake Alfred, Florida. Beautiful place. But see how it's sort of orbiting to the left. So I filmed that way in camera with the Phantom 4 Pro. Links in the description below with that drone, but that's what I use quite a bit with shoots. And anyways, if I wanted to reverse this orbit and say just have it play back this way instead of how it's going right now, all I would do is right click on the clip, drop it down here, and then go to speed/duration. You click on speed/duration and then hit reverse speed. Now press OK, and now we'll play it back, and now it's orbiting that way, as you can see. So now if I'm not really too into that movement, what I can do is go to speed duration and press OK, unclick this reverse speed right here, and now it's back to normal, which we'll see is going from right to left, sort of. Well, anyways, guys, I use this function within Premiere Pro quite a bit, and I just wanted to share it with you all. Again, this is Marshall. Make sure to check out infocreates.com. and also hit the bell and subscribe to this channel if you like the videos that's on it. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and looking forward to hearing from you.